You're here in the prom. Daming tao. Too many people watching this drone light show festival in Brisbane. Dito kami sa South Bank. Yan, Rainbow. Drone show, diba ate? Daming tao. Ito sa kabila. Ayan. Kita sa kabila. Yan yung napapakita yung mga lights. Ayan. On the other side. Ayun, sinasabi ko sa iyo pa, yung ferry dyan, 50 cents lang ang bayad. Ayan. Parang may stage doon sa kabila. Ayan. Ayan, tulay ng ano yan. Ayan, sa Brisbane. Picnic habang yan. Waiting to the light. Dami na niyang flavor. Dami ng flavor. May corn dog, may ano pa.
Chef unit.
Diyan na si ate. Chips ate.
Look what the Savior did. See?
You like it, huh?
Can I have some chips?
Yeah, come on. Just sit down here.
He's now a chef. Savior.
Here, sit down ate. Yeah.
Where's that? I couldn't see him. I was trying to look for him.
Careful.
Oh, the tomato.
Spilled it.
Di kayo nagdala ng ano, nak?
Walang tissue.
Tissue?
Yeah.
Ayan, naglo-looking si daddy mo sa'yo.
Where is Dad?
Ewan ko.
Go to the playground.
Oh.
Pero tagal din yung ginawa eh. Noon, di ba nakadaan kami sa Bro Aldan? Yeah.
Look.
Under construction pa yun. Nakakaryo ko sa kapalan.
Hindi nakahanap si Jake sa ganang car park. That's very rare.
Hindi, pagba.
Ang bilis nga, pagbaba natin, nandiyan na eh. Lions. Ayan. Mini. Lions. 2020 pop. It's in the sky. Magpo-form. Magpo-form siya.
Oh, dark.
Ha? Hindi.
Yung si Tatang Building, no?
Oh, that's wow.
No, it's not.
It is a bird.
Ate, what's that?
That's a bird.
Yeah.
What is it then? What is it? The big one's there.
Oh, what's that? Ah, whale. It's a whale. It's a
Kaya
whale.
naman pala, patagilid man.
Hindi, sa pang YouTube ko kasi ito. What's that? Eagle. It's an eagle, ate.
Eagle.
Flying. Flying.
Just see him flapping its wings, hey, Ben.
It's an arrow. Not even 7 foot.
It's a fish. Shark.
It's a whale.
It's a whale or shark? A big whale.
Oh, mommy, this is so boring though. Look, man, it's swimming in the air. How?
It's fake.
Wow. Mikot pa siya, no? Always, ano yan? Is was. Always was.
What did it say?
Always.
Facing that way, and then it faces this way. Always will be.
Will be. Ah, maganjin. Eh, ano?
Maganjin.
Maganjin. Yan. Breast Fest 2025 yan. Oh, what's that? Night market here. Mga accessories. Tingin-tingin. Mia. Okay. T-shirt printing. Ha? T-shirt printing, ha? Hi. Mga ano. Wala.
It
Bato,
depends
bato.
on how much opal.
Mga bato-bato. Ah. Anong tayo nakitang mabili? Wala eh.
Sino ka naman?
Ina naman dito sa kabila. Ayun, pabalik na tayo doon sa car.
Matagal na trabaho yun.
Daming tao. Yan. Kami kanina pumasok. Labubo, wala naman dun.